You think you know biological pain because your Wi-Fi went down for 5 minutes? Imagine being an apex predator in the year 10,000 BC. You just finished hunting a mammoth. You have 12 hours of daylight left and absolutely nothing to do. Welcome to the original system error of humanity, the boredom glitch. The human brain is a supercomputer that demands constant data input to avoid a fatal crash. Without TikTok or Netflix, our ancestors were forced to invent manual software patches. To trick their own biology into thinking time was moving faster. In ancient times, boredom was actually a dangerous biological threat, because an understimulated apex predator starts making very bad decisions. So they created arbitrary logic loops to waste their own energy. The first solution? Staring at the most primitive television on Earth, fire. But humans quickly adapted to the fire patch and got bored again. So they moved on to the most addictive software glitch ever invented. A mathematical logic error that still bankrupts people today. Today we roast the ancient invention of gambling. Thousands of years before Vegas, ancient humans were playing with actual bones. It was a game called knucklebones, the original hardware for dice. They would literally take sheep ankles and assign them point values. It was the perfect software patch for the boredom glitch. Because gambling triggers a massive biological release of dopamine. Romans were so addicted to this system error that emperors had to ban it. But the apex predators just kept gambling in secret. Ancient Egyptians invented a board game called Senet, which was basically a stressful logic puzzle about surviving the afterlife. Humans will literally invent fake stress just to avoid being bored. But board games weren't enough to fix the glitch for everyone. Some biological humans required a much higher level of data input. They needed extreme physical logic testing. So ancient civilizations upgraded their entertainment patches to sports that frequently ended in fatal system crashes. Before the NFL, the Mayans played a game called Pocatok. You had to hit a heavy rubber ball through a tiny stone hoop, using only your hips. It was an absolute plumbing disaster of physics and biology. But the craziest software glitch? The losing team was sometimes sacrificed to the gods. Talk about a fatal threat to your biology just to cure a Monday afternoon. Meanwhile, in Rome, the Colosseum was the ultimate boredom killer. They would flood the entire arena with water just to stage fake naval battles. It was a flex of imperial logic. We are so unbored, we brought the ocean indoors. Gladiators fought apex predator animals imported from thousands of miles away. All so the citizens wouldn't get a biological system error from staring at the wall. The Roman government used the bread in circuses software patch. Keep the humans fed, keep them entertained, and they won't overthrow the server. But not all time wasting required a lethal threat. Some ancient people invented elegant mechanical logic puzzles, leading to the invention of the ultimate childhood glitch. Did you know the ancient Greeks basically invented the yo-yo? Thousands of years ago, they made toys out of wood, metal, and terracotta logic. They had spinning tops, carved dolls, and even basic marbles. Children are essentially tiny apex predators with high-speed processors that will crash the entire house if they don't get data input. So toys were the ultimate manual software patch for parents. When you look at history, you realize humanity hasn't changed at all. We are still just trying to avoid the sunk cost fallacy of an empty afternoon. We just upgraded our logic pipes from sheep bones to silicon chips. The system error of boredom is a permanent biological threat. So, if this video successfully patched your brain's logic for 4 minutes, prove your biology survived by smashing that like button. Don't let your internal server crash. Keep feeding it data. Subscribe for more deep dives into the hilarious biology and history of our glitches. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.